Monster Jam, Pixel Punks, Dragon. Welcome fans to the show here on Monster Truck Classics as I unbox Dragon and take a look at it. So first of all, let's take a look at the back of the card. So here is Series 45, and we have Gravedigger, Monster Mutt, Dalmatian, Megalodon, Tech Deck, Wreck Deck, Alien Invasion, Zombie, El Toro Loco, Blue Thunder, and Avenger. Here is Pixel Punk's Dragon out of the package, and we get yellow colored wheels, and then the tires are red, and the base is kind of a green, if you can see that. And the roll cage is orange. I believe these are the chase pieces for 2026, the Pixel Punks trucks. And you can see on the Dragon body, we have different colored blocks, square blocks of different colors. Like up here is blue, there's a light blue there. You can see that there's a smaller square there. There's a green right there. Even the eye is kind of pixelated. The mouth doesn't look that pixelated though. It might be a little bit different there, I would say maybe. It's hard to tell actually. Here we go to the front clip of Dragon, and you can see that the nostrils have some color, and on top there we see some pixelated of the front clip of some different colors. On this side of Dragon, you can see what it looks like from this side, and that really looks, oh, there's the D. I was looking for the D. The top, the red horns up top right there. There's the back, up top. You can see the pixels in the body of the truck. So there we have the unboxing and review of the Pixel Punks Dragon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the show, and thank you for tuning in.